Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Simple Art Ideas, and in today's video going to make some doodle art that is with watercolor. As you know from the title of this video, this is going to be very easy, relaxing and very enjoying, and I must say you should try the doodle art because this is not difficult. Anyone can do. I mean, anyone interested a little bit in art, in doing some sort of art, can also try this out, and this is very relaxing. Also, it'll in this way you can practice watercolor because this is effortless. Yeah, I must say this is effortless. You can paint whatever you have in mind, but for this painting, this digital art painting, I have made some pencil outline, but you can also start just like that because they are very simple, and I'm not following the pencil lines all the time. So since a long time I wanted to talk to my friends, my viewers, through my video, but since uh, I think it's a long time. I don't know. I don't remember when was the last time I record my voice. And so today I thought let's talk to you while making the art. And spring summer is approaching. This is, you can say, spring is approaching. I can say the summer is also approaching. The in between of both these we are feeling now. So there is no winter cold now, and this season is very good. There is not too much cold and not too much hot. uh, you know, you can freely go outside, and you can enjoy wandering. So uh, so for this reason I decided to make some teeny mini um, little things that uh, remind us of the lovely season. And before this also I have done a lots of doodle art. You can go browse my channel and you can see so many doodle arts that I have already done, and I enjoy doing doodling because for this preparation you don't need any preparation. uh, you can just paint your mind. And for this, with watercolor I am using this metallic watercolor also, that gives a little bit of sparkle to my painting, you can see. So it is visible in light or only in one direction, I mean one side is not clearly visible, but still it doesn't matter. I love using the sparkly colors in between, just a little bit of touch up you can say. So this is going to be very enjoying. So watch the video till the end, and if you are new to my channel, please like my videos, subscribe to my channel, and share my videos with your friends. And have a wonderful day, have a wonderful season. Bye bye.